friends, today we are going to discuss about the anatomy of cubital fossa. So cubital fossa is a triangular hollow in front of the elbow. It is shown in the figure. Firstly, about the floor of cubital fossa, it is formed by two muscles, brachialis in the upper part and supinator in the lower part. Now about the boundaries. The lateral boundary of cubital fossa is formed by the medial border of brachioradialis muscle, and the medial border is formed by the lateral border of pronator teres muscle. The base is formed by an imaginary line joining the two epicondyles of humerus, and apex is formed where the two borders cross. Next, about the contents of cubital fossa. So from medially to laterally, there is a mnemonic to remember the contents of the cubital fossa in an easy way, that is MBBS. Yes, you heard it right, from medial to lateral, MBBS. Here M stands for median nerve, B for brachial artery, the next B is for biceps tendon, and S stands for superficial branch of radial nerve. So that's about the mnemonic MBBS. Next is about the roof of cubital fossa. From superficial to deep, it is formed by the skin, superficial fascia and deep fascia. The deep fascia is strengthened by the bicipital aponeurosis. The superficial fascia of the cubital fossa contains the following structures. It contains the median cubital vein connecting the cephalic and basilic vein and the medial and lateral cutaneous nerve of the forearm. Next, on to the clinical anatomy of the cubital fossa. First is about the median cubital vein. This is the vein of choice for collecting blood samples and giving intravenous injections. You can see the median cubital vein labeled in the following figure. Next importance is that the brachial pulse can be felt in this area. It is easily felt medial to the biceps tendon and it is used for recording the blood pressure. The next importance is that the fractures of the humerus, especially the supracondylar fracture of humerus, the median nerve and the brachial artery seen in this area are usually involved in this type of fracture.